Let's take a look at where Samsung has failed us with the social contract, where you should be giving us accurate measurements. First off, we'll examine the length of this microwave. It is indeed about 30 inches, 29 and 7/8. And so in this regard, we can moderately trust the documentation, 29 and 7/8, but notice how no other measurement is given here. Here's some foreshadowing. Nobody factored in the amount of space that needs to be on the left-hand side of the door. We do find that in the paperwork, the measurement of 30 inches is given time and time and time again. And even on the website, it points out you need 30 inches. So you'd be right to think that 30 inches of space across the top would be enough to install the microwave. However, you'd be wrong. Because when the microwave is opened, it is not 30 inches. See that extra space? Turns out you need 31 inches. All you had to do, Samsung, was place that measurement here and let us know that you need 31 inches, not 29 and 7/8. You need 31 because this opens out. Now what I get to do is tear out all these cabinets just to make room for this because someone irresponsibly documented incorrectly the widths and the dimensions. Thank you for that.